If you've ever forgotten to move your hopper before the truck drives away, leaving it damaged and unusable, you're not alone. Westfield's solution? The Gulp 2 Drive-Over Hopper. The Gulp 2 only needs to be moved into position once. With a drive-over height of just 5 3/4 inches, trucks can drive over the Gulp 2 and into position. When the unload is complete, the truck drives away and another pulls up. The Gulp 2 transports with your MKX 130 auger and is easy to deploy without having to detach or attach multiple pieces of equipment. The Gulp 2 has a large catchment area and is designed to match the MKX 130 capacity of 11,000 bushels per hour. You'll have the truck back into the field faster than before. It's not an ordinary auger, it's a Westfield.